This one is for all the girls who can only give 5 minutes, the ones that want minimum effort but expect maximum results. We're back again. Face is beats, body is leads. Guys, I'm glowing. But now, let's fix our hair. So today, we're going to be working with ISEE. I love these hair transformation because they give me a different personality. But yeah, this hair is from ISEE Hair. We're going to do a quick unboxing as usual because I like you guys to see what you get, what's inside. This is the box that it comes in. This is a very famous, very popular pink box. You cannot miss this. In here, as usual, you will get the hair, and we like to save this for the last because it's the best thing. Next up, you do have a guide as well, and in here you also get extra accessories. So we have 3 combs and 1 elastic band, and also you get a wig cap. This is the unit that we are going to be working with today. So this is in the style Burmese Curly and in the length 26 inches. I'm gonna take it out of the bag. Whoa, this is what the unit looks like right here. So this is a teapot 9x6 wig. You have 9 inches over here and 6 over here as well. This is what the construction looks like. Inside of the wig, you do get 2 combs on the side for extra security. You have 1 comb at the back as well, and then we do have an elastic band. This one is definitely a must. The wig also has a drawstring as well. So I am also seeing a bit of silicone grip right here. Gonna ensure that your wig doesn't slip and slide, but it's also gonna feel very comfortable and soft behind you as well. So let me quickly just take this off and put this on. It's been a while I reviewed an M cap, but now that I have it on, I see it again. So this is a 9x6 unit, and with this, it gives off the illusion of having a frontal without doing the frontal stress. So you can put it on and go, right? But we're not going to be doing that because we want to style this to perfection, so that way anytime we're going to put this on, it looks right. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. This is what the lace looks like. I'm going to pull you guys in a little bit closer so you can see as well. And this is what the curl pattern looks like, guys. I can already tell that this is going to be a very full hair. It's going to have a lot of volume and the curls are going to pop, because when hair comes like this and it's this full and you haven't brushed it out or applied any product, you know that it's going to be extra full. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Look at that. So around your ear, you will get a C-shaped cut, so that way it feels better on. It just feels very comfortable, and that's how it feels right now. It's been bleached as well. This mimics your forehead contour, as you guys can see. It is literally laying flat. Like, what I want to do first is to tint the lace just a little bit. Ebony. It's in the shade medium dark brown. So I'm gonna let this air dry for maybe a minute or 2 and put this on. Yeah, can you see how that blends a lot better into my skin, into my makeup? Yeah, but what I want to do is to use a little bit of gel to just push it back. So this is what we are looking like right now. Actually, I changed my mind. Right now, I think I want to just use a little bit of holding spray to just melt this down. We're gonna just be finger combing this out, and then we'll use a brush to kind of go through it just to release the curls. Okay, so this is how full this hair gets, and I haven't even used a brush to brush it out, but this is kind of the vision that we're seeing right now. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and we're gonna start kind of framing this. So I have my scissors right here. So this is what we have right now, and I tried to trim it to frame my face, I want to leave the back as is because I do like the volume. I just want the front to just be a little bit, you know, layered, right? So this is what we have right now. I'm gonna take off this hairband. Yeah, look at that. Okay, this is one way you could definitely style it if you want the full voluminous look. Look at the volume. This definitely wasn't what I expected because this is a lot. And the weird thing is, it feels like air. Like it's very airy, it's very light. That's what I'm looking for. It's very light. I want to use my hot comb to just melt the center part. So I'm going to be using a little bit of wax stick. I'm just going to put this on my palm. This is definitely one way to go if you want that afro, natural, sexy, voluminous style. This is giving it, right? So I'm just going to define the curls, and I'm going to be using water and a little bit of mousse to do that, just to bring back the curls to life. Just spray your water till it's a bit damp, and then you can see that the curls are literally coming back to life, and we haven't even done anything yet. So we're going to be detangling and brushing this out just to also define the curls as well. But because it's a little bit wet, you can see that it's weighing it down, but also you get a little bit of length to this hair as well. So it is a 26-inch hair, and you can see that. And this is the before, and look at what it looks like, and this is the after. Okay, so I went off camera just to get this side also a little bit damp, and this is what it looks like. It's cute, to be honest with you, but we still get that volume. So we're going to just be using a little bit of product. We're going to add some mousse to the hair just to add some definition, but also some shine and luster to this hair. And this is what it looks like. Don't be scared to saturate your hair with it. I'm just going to put it on the top and also to the tip as well. Brush this through. It's easy to brush through. And if you just don't like the hassle of styling hair, but you can brush, this is the easiest thing to do. Curly wigs are usually the way to go. And yeah, I'm just going to crunch it up a little bit just to revive the curls, define the curls. Like, it's so easy, and this is what we have right now. This right here is an actual look. This is giving me, I just came out of the water, but I'm still looking cute and it's taking care of. This right here is a look. I can't even lie. And yeah, and if I was going to be going on a vacation, this is going to be the hair that I will wear. So I'm going to be using a little bit of my serum on the hair just to add more shine to it and also luster, because can you guys see how these curls are just popping and the definition? I'm going to be using my hair dryer just to dry this hair, just to save you guys the stress of waiting. This would take you like 5 minutes. You can let this hair dry, but because I was filming this video, I wanted it to be very speedy and quick. Wow. Okay, so let me just fluff this up a little bit just to add a little bit of volume back to it. And all right, so we literally just went from out of the box to brushed out and then a little bit wet, and now this is just a perfect hybrid. You have a mix depending on how you want to style it, but we're getting the true length of this hair right here. This is how full this hair is, and if I want it even fuller, I could just use my fingers to kind of fluff it up, but also at the same time kind of like finger comb it to loosen the curls a little bit. But I'm not gonna do that because I do like how full it is. Maintaining is so easy, and again, because this is a wear and go wig, you don't have to worry about the lace lifting because it is so snug and secure, as you guys had seen in the beginning of this video. You don't know how to style with like your curling iron, with your wand, with your hot tools. You don't need that for this. You just need to put it on, get it looking right, add some water, use a little bit of product if you want, and can be out the door.
Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can use your powder, your contour powder shade, and just blend that into the lace around the perimeter of your forehead, just to properly blend it into your skin. And you're going to get like the perfect blend. It's going to melt, it's going to look flawless. And yeah, that's as easy as that. Now we're done. This hair is from ISEE Hair. I will leave all the links in the description box so you guys can check it out. But again, this is their Burmese Curly Teapot 9x6 wear and go wig in the length 26 inches. And this is what she looks like. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. And I will see you in the next one.
Bye, guys.